Nico! Hi! Nag-sleep ka daw, sabi ni teacher, ha?
Why you sleep?
Sleepy, tired daw siya, tito.
Oh, tired yung baby ko.
Hindi, yan nag-bless. Hoy, bless, tita, bless.
Bless muna. Uy.
Kiss, bless, tita. Hoy, daddy.
Taro nga pagti.
Have you lubong ba daw?
Labsa.
Ay, hindi yan. Nandito kay daddy.
Pasalubong ha. Di yan ibigay ang pasalubong pag hindi mag-kiss kay tita.
Akala mo naman hindi nagkakamali. Pinagluto nila si Bunso ng pansit kanto. Eh dito nga, hindi na.
Pangit ka. Yung ipapan.
Daddy, where's the pasalubong daw?
May pasalubong ba? Na very good ba ikaw?
Wala. Nag-sleep si Dodong din.
Very good, ikaw wala. Sure.
Walang pasalubong din.
Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Close your eyes, Sammy. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. I'm picking. Left, right. Ah. Blue. Open your eyes. Sabihin.
Ay, meron pa yung pasalubong si daddy kay Sam. Yung favorite ni Sam, daddy, where?
Hati kay Nico ha. Hati kay Nico ha. Share. Okay?
Ano sabihin kay daddy tsaka? Nico, ano sabihin kay daddy?
May surprise pa din ako. Additional surprise. Kasi kahapon, nag-buy si Daddy guys sa school ni.
Tanawa si Nicoan. Hindi, dan naman ikaw.
Guys,
Sa atin na naman.
ate na naman.
Wala.
Ate na naman. Ate, your writing tablet. Okay. Now, close your eyes. Close your
Ay,
eyes. Close your eyes.
napuday si Nico.
Up. Yes, ate. Okay. Oh. Look at this. Open your eyes now. What is this? What is that? What is that? Who's
Sticker.
that?
Who's that daw?
Wala si
Who's that?
Kailan.
Batman. Who's that? Minions.
Minions,
Wow.
Kayla siya.
And you can put your name here. Ate, this one is for you. You can put your name in the book. Okay, wait. Ate. Okay. This one is for Ate also in the frozen. And this one is for Nico. And then si Batman and si Minions. That one is
Mine's
that is yours. Yeah, your book and your no, you can put that. Okay.
mine book na.
Sa bag, ito yung bag mo.
May laman yung bag mo para mawala.
Ha? Lupad-lupad. Ay, wala sa bag niya. Gibili ni Bibi. Ginabili na dito.
Tomorrow na lang, kunin mo.
Tomorrow na lang, idikit mo. Sino ito dong? Millions. Kilala mo pala si Millions sa... This one dong. Sino ito dong? This one sticker. Sino ito? See? Batman. Very good. Ito. Ay, mine na ito dong. Ano sabihin kay daddy? Dong? Na, naiwan doon kay teacher. Ate can put na kasi kay ate nandyan pa man kay ate Sam. Tomorrow na, lagyan niyo sa iyo din ha. Lagyan ni Samantha. Sam lang ilagay mo, mahaba masyado yung...
Yung box, di pabilin.
ate? What to say to daddy? Ha? Hmm? Okay, let's eat na. Mag-dinner na tayo. You want your book? Tomorrow na, mag-tutor pa man din ikaw. Tell mo si teacher, i-bring mo yun.